Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to make a new account on TikTok. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, tap on TikTok, then tap on profile, then tap your name, and tap add account. Perfect. Now here you can sign up with phone or email or Facebook account or Apple or Google. So you have here a freedom to select any way to sign up your new account. Well, for demonstration, I'll select email. Then write here your email address. Perfect. After that, tap continue. Then tap continue. And now TikTok will send to your email address a code of verification. Well, check your email and write your code verification. And then, as you can see here, we will make a new account. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.